Hellcat.
Today's good morning. Most welcome to the Rita Das classes. I request all the new viewers to please subscribe my channel. Today I am going to teach you most important part of the writing sections. The topic is email writing. Email writing is a very common in nowadays, and it is a best means of communications. It is very cheapest also and fastest also. So it is very famous in every private and the government institutions, colleges and the offices. In email writing, we have to read what is email writing, what are the advantages of email writing, and the kinds of email writing, format of email writing, and at last we have to read the examples of the email writing. So now we have to read what is email writing. Email stands for electronic mail. It is easiest and the cheapest way of communication. The advantages of the emails are that it is a very quick message to send, and it is very quick to get the email also, and it is a very simple way to communicate, and email allows for easy reference. Email is accessible to any place. Email is paperless. Email allows for mass sending, means at a time we can send the message in a group of the persons. Email allows instant messages. Next we have to read points should be remembered while writing the email. First of all, email is always written in a box. We should not over communicate at the time of writing the email. Good uses of the subject, and because subject is the most important in email writing, so at the time of writing subject we have to think or careful about this. Keep messages clear and brief. The message should be very clear and concise also, and be polite. Whatever the word we used in the email writing, the polite words should be used. Check your tone, and the writing method is also should be in a good way, and proofread. After writing, after collecting all the things, first we have to see this all the format of email writing. The email writings formats here it is given. First we have to write here this from. Here it is written to, but first we have to write from, that is the sender address. After that to, that is the receiver's address. Then CC and BCCs should be written, and the date should be also mentioned. And after that the subject means the title or the reason of writing the email. And after the box there is the another box, and whenever we have to write the email, first we have to make the box, and just half of the box we have to write from, to, CC, BCC, subject and date. And after that in the second box we have to write salutations, introduction and body of the email and conclusion. And next we have to write closing, attachment of the file, and last the signatures. Here it is written from, just side I have given from means the sender's email ID should be written. To means the receiver's email ID should be written. After that CC, BCC and subject, title or the reason of writing should be mentioned. Salutations. In salutation we have to write respected or the dear. And after the salutation, introduction of the email, body of the email or the conclusion of the email, and closing ending should be happened. And after that, if you want to attach any file document, then there should be the attach any file. And at last we have to write the signatures or the sender's name. After the format, we have to know there are two types of email writing. One is the formal email and the second is the informal. First, the formal email. An email which is written for business communication or the professional use, that is called the formal email. The email written for any government department, school, authority, company or any officers are the formal emails. Example, one question is given, write an email for resignations in any office. So we have to write here. First we have to give the from. In the from we have to write our address, email address. After that we have to write to, means that is the receiver's address. CC and BCC we have to write. Subject, in subject we have to give the resignations letter, and that is the salutations. Dear, please accept this mail as a notice that I am leaving my position with these organizations. As per the norm of the company, I have to give a month notice before his eye cleaning. I hope you will get a good replacement for me within this time period. I really appreciate the opportunity that I have been given to me to help me grow. Wish you and the company the best in the future. Please let me know what to expect as far as my final work schedule and the employees' benefit. Please let me know in case of any assistance for the above. Kindly look into the matter. So here first the introduction is written, after that body of the email is written, and here the conclusion is written. After that, that is the closing. Kindly look into the matter. Thanks and the regards, and element means your name should be here written. So this email should be in a box. So dear students, you have to remember that before writing the email you have to make the box, and make the half portion of the box, that you have to write all these details, and after that you have to write the salutations or introduction, body and the conclusion of the letters. Next we have to know that is the informal letters. And in informal letters, that is given that an informal letter email writing is always written for any friends or family members or relatives, and in this category this comes, so it is called the informal email writing. In example, it is given one question that suppose you have to write an email to your friend inviting him on her or on him to your birthday party. Answers, that is first you have to write from. Here it is not written, but you have to write from your email ID, you have to give it, and after that to, that in the place of the receiver's address email ID you have to give. After that you have to write CC BCC. Subject, invitation to a birthday party, and after that here it is the hope this mail finds you in the best your time. Here the email it is written the just from, to, date, CC BC, subject, and the salutations, introduction, body, conclusion. I think inside I have given made the box, so you have to also, just by seeing this you have to also write. So here the that is the written, hi, I am very happy to invite you to my birthday party at November 3rd at ABC Hostel from 7 to 10. The theme of the birthday party is Pirates of the Caribbean. It would be great if you come and join us at the party. We will have a great time and fun together. See you soon. Element. So this should be, just follow this and try to write it in your copy and learn it. In the conclusion, we have to just know that email is most important. This is, and so it is as important as the other topics in the writing section, so we should not skip the email writing. Thank you.